Hai Sobat Pickpock, selamat datang di channel impian kalian. Channel yang penuh dengan konten edukasi.
Do we have here? This is a water truck. It can water flower beds and wash roads. Try to put this vehicle together. Wheels, wheels, water tank, cabin, seats, steering wheel, bumper with water cannons. You did it! How about that? This is a cement mixer. It holds liquid cement in its drum. The drum is always turning, so the cement stays soft. Look at this mess. Let's put a vehicle together. Wheels, wheels, seats, cabin, steering console, cabin, frame, drum, bumper, headlights. Yes, you got it. Wow! This is a crane. It can lift heavy objects very high in the air. Try to put this vehicle together. wheels, wheels, steering console, seats, cabin, platform for arm. This is a crane with a metal wrecking ball on its arm. It uses this ball to knock down old buildings so we can build new ones in their places.